Hello everyone and welcome. This is Rob from Russ Darrow Mitsubishi, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. Hello everyone and welcome. This is Rob from Russ Darrow Mitsubishi. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Outlander that has been fully redesigned. Take a look at that new front end there. Lots of aggressive styling and those lovely 20-inch wheels. Coming to the interior, which is going to be our focus of today, we've got all new soft touch materials on the dash, as well as the ultra suede interior and leather lining here. And who can forget Mitsubishi's fantastic super all-wheel control system? But moving on to what we're really here to talk about today, which is that fantastic third row. You'll notice in the second row, you've got plenty of room for teenagers, but also those child safety seat anchors in there if you have anybody who's still using a child safety seat or a booster seat of any kind. But where the real magic comes in is being one of only 2 vehicles in its class that has that magic third row. So you can seat 7, make your kid the coolest kid in class because he can take his friends to the park, to the game, wherever you guys are heading for the day. Easiest way to fold them down if you need that extra storage though is just to pull on these handles here to release the seats. Now you'll notice that you can also release that second row seat just from this handle here. You don't have to worry about a bunch of buttons, pull handles, or anything like that. And now you have the most cargo capacity in its class. Look at all that room. So you've got room for 7 people, or room to move an entire apartment in one go. Again, this is Rob from Russ Darrow Mitsubishi, signing off.